Hey, this is Miss Linda, and I got my alcohol stove good and hot. I just cooked some romaine noodles with my alcohol stove, and there they are right there. So, I got my alcohol stove good and hot, and I'm going to boil some water. Wait a minute, let me go ahead and pour the water up in here. I'm going to boil some water, but that's hand sanitizer. See? It is hand sanitizer. Okay, I got my water all, I got my stove all good and hot. One thing I just learned is to let your stove get hot. Okay, it's 1 minute. Let's see how long it takes to boil some water while my noodles or romaine noodles cool off. Okay, let's see how long it takes. I didn't put like a full pot of water or half pot because I made this little alcohol stove myself with just two materials, a little aluminum can and something that I had found at the I think it was either the Goodwill, the Salvation Army, one of those places, and I bought a lot of them. And I got the little can at the Dollar Tree. And it also has a top. It also has a top to go to it. And here's another can. They got lids that go to them. I don't know what I did with my lids. But that's good that I got lids. So I think this one is the lid. No. Well, it's got a lid to go to it. They got lids to go to them. So it's 3 minutes and 32 seconds. I say this cup right here is probably about a cup for a coffee. It said Twin Teen Wellness Center, Regenesis. So if you want to boil like a regular sized cup of coffee or whatever, my oodles and noodles romaine noodles cooling off that I cooked in my on my alcohol stove that I use hand sanitizer. So you can see the water starting to boil. It's just now picking up. It's 4 minutes and 31 seconds, 34 seconds, 38 seconds, and that is hand sanitizer. It's 5 minutes and about 10 seconds. I need to clean my pot. There's residue left on it when I was outside the last time trying to cook with my alcohol stove. So now it's 6 minutes. I saw other people's alcohol stoves and the timing about the same. Water on the alcohol stove probably in at probably about, when it's boiling, probably about 8 minutes, 10, 12, something like that. This hand sanitizer is pretty. It's real windy outside. Alright, y'all. There's a good view of it. I made this alcohol stove. This spot is plain. Seems like it's snowing outside or something. Okay, it's at 8 minutes. About 6, 7 seconds. And there it goes. You can see it boiling. Really, it'll be boiling probably about 7 minutes. Because I put, really it's about 7 minutes. There it go. It's boiling, y'all. Well, it look like my oodles of noodles, top beef noodles, then cool down a little bit. I had some left. because I ain't want to fill my pot up, because my alcohol stove is not level. But there y'all go. It's 10 minutes 20. Really, it started boiling probably about 8 minutes. I say about 7 minutes. But there y'all go. There's my water boiling on my alcohol stove using hand sanitizer. I don't want to damage my phone with heat. So y'all, there it goes. So my water is done boiling on my alcohol stove using hand sanitizer. But I'm not really going to drink this water because this is the same pot and I didn't wash it using, I didn't wash it after I had boiled my, cooked my oodles and noodles, my beef romaine noodles. It's called Top Nissin romaine beef flavor, no additive MSG. These are real good. It's romaine noodle soup. So my water has stopped boiling and it didn't take that long. So right here, I'm going to pour this water like it's clean water. And just imagine yourself, here it go. Just imagine yourself, my cup stained because I had turmeric and whatever else up in here. But just imagine this big pot, a big cup of coffee. And here is my alcohol stove, just is popping. And it's just a plain alcohol stove that I use, hand sanitizer. And I noticed the hand sanitizer lasts a long time. But this is a pretty alcohol stove. Well, y'all, I'm done. And I post some more videos about sun ovens and this and that. I just like experimenting with different things. So, there's my alcohol stove, just 2 pieces. Just 2 pieces. And I like that flame. Or if you can just, if you stuck somewhere, you can keep this in your car. If you stuck somewhere and your car break down in the wintertime, just have you a little hand sanitizer, a little emergency kit with a pot or whatever, and there you go. You can stay warm. Just be careful and let a little air in your car so carbon monoxide or whatever won't kill you. But there you go. Well, bye-bye. And here's my oodles and noodles that I cooked earlier. I call them oodles and noodles, but they romaine noodles. They're a different brand than oodles and noodles. Let me get a good view of my alcohol stove. It's cute and pretty and colorful. I think the reason why I had that brown residue is because something that they put up in here, this hand sanitizer, must be like a gel or something to make it thick. So it kind of like cook it or whatever. But that's pretty. That is so pretty. It's got a pretty flame and it lasts a real long time. Oh no, hand sanitizer burn real good. But that's pretty. Bye.